All these dropshipping gurus have been lying to you for years, and I won't stand for it no more. They're always telling you to sell what everybody else is selling and not to reinvent the wheel.
We are all about working with what is already proven and making it work for us, never sitting here reinventing the wheel.
What the? Does that make any sense to you? Do you actually believe that that is the right thing to do, or are you just following them blindly? I already know the answer to that question, which is why today in this video I'll be teaching you how you should be doing competitor research and the thought process I have when I'm making my final product selection. As a dropshipper, you never want to sell a product that has already been scaled too hard. You either want to sell something that just started getting scaled or has never been run before, which is what we call a product that is new to market. The reason for this is quite simple. Facebook serves the highest bidder best. So if you have another competitor who's spending more money than you on ads and running the same product, which they are, then Facebook will serve them the highest quality traffic first. And that means you will get served an audience that's really not likely to purchase. Because look, this is exactly what happens when they click on your ad. They come to your website, look around, and maybe decide to return later. Once they get back to scrolling on social media, they're gonna get targeted by your competitors' retargeting ads, who will be targeting an audience that has already displayed interest in that specific product in the past, even if it's not directly from their website. They'll offer them an audience-specific offer, meaning an offer that will only be shown to these people that have shown interest in the product before, clicked on a competitor's website or their website, but did not purchase. And that audience only offer will be such a sweet deal that it will literally feel stupid of them not to purchase it. And so as this is happening, you're in bed praying and hoping for sales that will never come. And why will they never come? Because you cut corners in your product research and still listen to the same regurgitated bullshit 2017 advice that's still shared on YouTube to this day. Regardless of the circumstance and how good your idea is, if the product that you want to sell is already saturated, then simply sell a similar product in the same niche. Listen up, when you find a winning product, all you really found was a winning niche, because there's multiple products that can solve that exact same problem, plus more. You already found a pre-existing product that people are using to solve a specific problem on a daily basis. Instead of acting like a baby that wants to be spoon-fed all these dropshipping sales, you want to look for another product in that exact same niche that solves the exact same problem plus a special feature which the other product does not have. And this is going to position you as a better competitor in the market, because they'll be like, why should I come and buy from this guy whose product only does A, while I can come and buy from this guy whose product is $5 more but does A, B, and C. And a perfect example of this are the red light therapy products. I honestly don't know how this craze started, because I started dropshipping about 1 year ago. But what I do know is that all these products do the same thing, apart from one main feature that separates them all from each other. For example, you could use Youthray on your head for hair growth if you really wanted to, but then it lacks that oil distribution and oil application feature that Scalp Pulse has. You see, so each of these products have their specific strength. Any red light therapy product could help you grow your hair. But then you'd be better off selling one in the hair niche, because if they're buying the product for hair growth, then just had more hair growth features. Now, everything I just said may not even make sense to you if you don't know how to find competitors and identify whether they are scaling or not. And to do exactly that, I'm going to present you with both a free solution and a paid solution. The paid solution is using ShopHunter.io. ShopHunter shows you product variants, revenue data, and a lot more, giving you a clear picture of exactly what is working in the market today. And my favorite part is the Shopify store tracking feature. Plus, you can find top advertised products in stores, which are actual dropshipping products from successful businesses. Additionally, you can use the Facebook ad spy and implement the logic that if your competitor has a lot of ads, then they are clearly profitable, thus adding more validity to the winning product. And now I'm going to track a store live for you guys. So we're gonna be spying on Bleem, alright? And this is basically one of the most popular dropshipping brands. Everybody takes inspiration from them, and for good reason. They have a pretty good website and sales funnel. So I'm going to put the URL in here, let it load for a second, and boom, as you can see, we can see what they made today. So they had a 2.8k day, 15.8k week, 79 or just 80k month. And you can see the top products that are getting them all the sales. And that ain't it. You can even click on the product itself here and find an AliExpress link directly. Also, you can come and view the Facebook ads archive directly over here. And once you do that, you can literally see all their active ads.
Oh, I keep my crust top notch.
And additionally, as I mentioned, you can just view all the top performing stores and products, staff picks even, of products that the ShopHunter team recommends you to sell right now. There's just a whole bunch of data here. And with this alone, you will find a winning product, because I have done it myself. And I know that this is quite an amazing software, and it would be a tragedy if it was all locked behind a paywall. And that's why they offer a free trial which gives you access to all of the paid abilities. So if you'd like to use ShopHunter, click the link below in the description. It's going to be the first link, also the first link in the comments, and get started on finding some banger products. And the free solution is the Facebook ad library. Now, the Facebook ad library is basically a giant database that stores every single Facebook ad that has been run in history. We use this to see whether there are any competitors actively running ads, how many ads they're running, how long they've been running ads, what their best performing ad is, and how many ad accounts they have, and all for free. Turn off the active ads. But as you can see, it was already showing us that there's only 3 ads that are currently running, which could probably be a new creative testing campaign. And to see the number of ads they've ran in history, it's also going to be up here, 180 ads. If you want to know how long they've been running ads, it says right here that this ad started running on 2nd April and it's still active. So obviously, if these guys have been running an ad for over 3 months, the ad is clearly printing, bro. Because ideally, you turn off a badly performing ad after like 2 to 3 days. So 3 months, bro. This is exactly the kind of ad you guys need to be copying. And of course, to see the amount of ad accounts they have, this is how you do it. And it's quite a secret. So there'll be a certain ad you see where it says 3 ads use this creative and text. So that tells you that they've actually duplicated the ad. For example, into its own campaign. So 3 times. And then to see how many ad accounts they have, you just come back to the search bar, and as you can see, there's 2 that show up here. So this second one is obviously the second ad account. And as you can see, this one only has 20 ads. And looks like that's what they're using for September. Oh no, that's what they're running it abroad. See? Now we've arrived at the end of the video. And I hope by now you understand that you need to throw that old copy-paste competitor mindset in the bin. You do want to be new to market and reinvent the wheel. Every single product that has gotten me a sale in the past 3 months was a product I was selling as the first to market it on Facebook ads. So take my advice. If you would like one-on-one mentorship, DM me on Instagram at ecom_need-to-pay. Once you join, you gain 24/7 access to the business knowledge of Cedric and I, and a bunch of other features which I'll let you know when you DM me on Instagram. And until next time, stop copy-pasting your competitors, stay hard, keep grinding, and don't give up. Peace.